dapat maabot na dito sa lasa.
Thank you once again. According to Celebration as Logan, standing for Mayor Zeneto E. Logan. Mr. Oresha S. Corvera, standing for Commissioner Congressman Bill Corvera, for being with us and sharing your valuable insights. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give our distinguished guests another round of applause for their exceptional contributions for today's celebration. May I call on the vocational school
Uy, dapat maabot.
East Nancy City Guzman to introduce
Maabot
the
na nun.
first speaker.
My due respect to our esteemed guests,
Uy, basta.
Honorable Congressman of the 2nd District of Luzon del Norte,
Nawa.
Honorable Dale E. Corvera, ably represented
Dili ka?
by Horencio S. Corvera
Dapat mukaon
Jr.,
ka.
the
Dili kay
Provincial District Office Chief of Staff, Honorable Governor of Luzon del Norte, Honorable Maria
Dinapon, guys,
Angelica
dinapon.
Oxdel Malvas